How do we see this in the future? The Eclipse Dataspace component should evolve towards our starter kit. If this open source starter kit is introduced in the community through the different stakeholders, that you can see on the slide, we will be able to receive from the users of the starter kit a wealth of feedback that we will be able to use to improve future standards. And what else are we doing? For the standards, the compatibility element is also very important. Another thing we're working on is the TCK, the Technical Compliance Kit. The TCK, these are the open source modules that you will be able to use to certify that your solution is compatible with the different standards. So with this TCK, passing it on to the players or the stakeholders of the ecosystem, they'll be able to generate the badges or certificates certifying that you're compatible with the Dataspace protocol, etc.